afternoon, sunshine on the ground. Everything was perfect at this little campground. Then my phone rang, buddy said, man, I got no water flow. I said, hold tight, I'll be right there, grab my tools and go. A jack of all trades, yeah, I've heard that one before. Walked up to his rig and found a problem to explore. The hose was hooked up wrong. Oh Lord, what a sight. Water running off the roof like a busted sewer pipe. I got the black tank blues, Lord, what a smell. One wrong hose and it all went to hell. You can't plan this stuff, you just laugh and pay your dues. Roll up your sleeves, 'cause it's the black tank blues. I fixed that line, got his faucets flowing right. Thought the battle's over, man, not quite. Stepped in his bathroom, hit the flush one time. Mount Vesuvius erupted like a sewage crime. Second shower of the day, I smelled like 3-day fish. My buddy tried to hide a grin, yeah, I saw that twitch. He said, what do I owe? While I dripped in defeat, I said, how about a clean shirt and the cold beer, please? I got the black tank blues, Lord, what a mess. Covered in regrets and yesterday's stress. RV life will humble you and test your shoes when you're standing knee deep in the black tank blues. Yeah, we laughed till the sun went down, clean that mess till the ground turned brown. You live, you learn, you hold it on, then hit the road with your windows on. I got the black tank blues, but it won't keep me down. Just another story from this rolling town. Nick stops cleaning, got fresh views, but I'll never forget them black tank blues. Yeah, when life gets messy and you can't refuse, just say it loud. Them black tank blues.